everyone. Today I'm teaching you how to use Facebook Marketplace. So open your Facebook app and log in. From the home screen, tap Marketplace icon. It looks like a little store and is usually at the bottom of the screen. You're now on the Marketplace homepage. To browse items, you can scroll through the feed or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. To filter results, tap the filter icon. Here, you can set your distance, condition, price range, and more. If you're looking to sell something, tap Sell at the top left corner, then tap Create Listing, then One Item to list a product. Now, upload photos of your item, enter a title, set your price, choose a category, and write a short description. Next, confirm your location and finally hit publish. That's it. Your item is now live and visible to nearby buyers. Easy, right? Now you can shop or sell anything on Facebook Marketplace anytime and anywhere.